Hi guys, so today we'll be going over the vocabulary lesson for the story that we're going to read next week. But first, we're going to go over the objectives. So students, that's you will be able to define, explain, and use the vocabulary in both the academic and social settings. Students will, that's you again, will collaborate in groups while discovering the meaning of the words. So first we're going to go over the New York Times photo of the week. So y'all received this on Monday and y'all wrote in y'all's reflections and y'all's journals about what y'all thought this meant. Well, today we're going to go over it. And as you can see, it is a bus full of men and women with pig masks on. And I know some of y'all thought it was from a cult or some kind of protest, and y'all said it was probably around the 1950s or 60s. And we're going to find out if it's true today. So here we go. Dun, dun, dun. And here we go, y'all. So these little piggies went to Weehawken. Read the caption on this rather terrifying photo on the New York Times. Published in the New York Times, published in 1955. It wasn't Halloween. 100 commuters donned the masks to dramatize their fight against abandonment of passenger service between Weehawken and Albany. New York Times reported, the make and statement aimed at Robert R. Young, board chairman of the New York Central, whose railroad proposed to abandon passenger services but continue to carry freight shipments 9 years before the drama occurred, when Robert had worked for another railroad company. He covered the U.S. with ads reading, "A hog can cross America without changing trains. But you can't." The commuters had their own take on the slogan, "A hog can ride the West Shore. Why can't you?" So some of y'all were right. It is a protest in hopes of trying to get the correct, reaction from the board of the chairman for making it difficult for these people to get to work every day because they are no longer allowed to use the train. Okay, y'all. So that was fun. So we're going to go over the vocabulary. So we're going to go over it together as a class, and then y'all are going to go in as groups for the rest of the vocabulary that's going to be used in next week's story. Yay! So the first word, seep. This is the word we're going to go over. So we're going to go over the dictionary definition of what this means. And so seep means to pass gradually or leak or as if through small openings. So if there's a leak in the ceiling and it slowly seeps through and starts to drip down the walls and out of the ceiling tiles, or fog seeping into the woods kind of thing. Ooh. So let's make our own personal definition. This is what I came up with. Y'all will have more time to come up with this in your groups for the different words. So, I did this as a substance moving through something slowly. I should have written that on the PowerPoint. That was a mistake on me. My bad. But this is my definition. And then we're going to go on and we're going to do pictures. And ideally, you're going to draw the pictures. I couldn't put my own pictures on here, so I found pictures. So as you can see, there's water, and a person is putting ink, and it seeps through the water to create a masterpiece. And then we're going to go to a different set of pictures. the fog seeping in through the forest. And then I thought this one was cool. I don't know if y'all can see it very well. Ooh, wrong way. But the eye is like, there's like the color is seeping, so it's changing as it's, isn't that cool? I thought that was a fun way to, a different way to look at the word. So we're gonna create a sentence. So this is the sentence I created. Dun, 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 dun. My original sentence. The trio immediately felt nervous as they watched fog seep into the woods. Ooh, very creepy. I thought it was fun, but y'all can create whatever y'all want. It does not have to be creepy or exciting. It could be a boring sentence. I don't care. It's up to y'all. Y'all's chance to be creative. And then, okay guys, so this is the paper you're gonna get. I don't know if you can see it. That helps. So these are the words you're gonna go through. So you've got barricade, blasphemy, chastise, severe, shard, and awestruck. And on this piece of paper, the handout that I'm gonna give y'all, you're gonna write down the word. You're gonna find the dictionary definition. Y'all are going to make up your own definition. And then you're gonna write in a sentence and also draw what you think the word means, or the best way to visually picture the word, the definition of the word. And you'll be working with your neighbor or in groups of 3 to do this. And I think y'all will have fun. Afterwards, we'll go around and we'll share, and you'll present your words, or if y'all want to say which y'all sentences to see who came up with the best one for each one, and we'll go over the list so everybody is prepared for next week. Well guys, let's get started.